Welcome to WhitePepper, a world-class chef academy located on the south coast of England.
Our Level 3 Silver Certificate is a full-time 8-week course at intermediate level. It's accredited by the Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality, which is regulated by Ofqual.
Which means it can open many doors for you within the food industry.
This in-person course focuses on instilling commercial confidence.
It's all about how to understand your palate and how to plate up professionally.
Our students learn professional techniques including emulsions, souffle, pastries and a lot more. They build a repertoire of experiences such as whole animal butchery and cheese making.
This course is very popular with yacht chefs and food entrepreneurs.
No prior experience is needed, just a passion for food and a determination to learn.